What's up everybody, Man Bear Cow here, and today I have a special surprise for you, a 5th Druid Rune that you can find in Mulgore. I actually found this one by accident while I was killing harpies for a quest. So this video takes us to the southeast corner of Mulgore, a calming place, nestled among the trees and the harpy nests. And, oh no, a wolf! If you're looking at the map, you can take the road east out of Bloodhoof Village, and then head south just before you leave Mulgore. So as I mentioned, I was questing killing harpies in this area, and I was attacked by a wolf. Okay, it might have been because I had killed some of his brothers and sisters and taken their skins, so he may have been a little angry with me. And that didn't stop me from killing him and taking his skin too. But before I took his skin, I noticed that he had dropped something, an idol of Ursine Rage. However, the idol requires me to use bear form in order to fulfill the requirements. I was only level 7 at the time. I had yet to do my bear form quest, which I don't receive until level 10. So it would be a while before I would figure out what this particular idol would do. It actually wouldn't be until level 12 that I would be ready to fulfill the requirements of this idol. But you might be able to complete it as soon as level 10, as long as you complete the questline that allows you to cast bear form. So once I had bear form, I headed to the Barrens to take out my rage on some Planestriders. Stupid Planestriders, walking around right next to my town as if they own the place. So you will want to equip the rune just like you did with the first one. And just like I showed you with the first one, it helps if you also put it on your taskbar so that you can keep track of it. Now this one is fairly simple. You just need to keep your rage in bear form above 50 for over 60 seconds. So the trick here is to fight a mob, or possibly 2 or 3 mobs, that you can allow to attack you for around a minute so you can generate enough rage. So I used auto attack on a Planestrider in the Barrens. I killed him fairly quickly, but luckily I was able to find another one nearby and continue my rage. After 60 seconds, the icon lights up letting you know that you have fulfilled the requirements. Now open up your character sheet and right click on the idol to learn the spell. Ta-da! You can now equip this rune on your gloves to cast Mangle. Now, I was told that a guild member found the same rune in a chest in the Barrens, so it's possible that some of these runes can be found multiple ways. And even though I found this idol early while questing and killing harpies, there is a quest in Mulgore that will have you killing prairie wolf alphas. That also is not the only location where you can find prairie wolf alphas in Mulgore, so it is possible that you may find them drop in a different location. If all else fails, you can always go back to the same location where I found them. This is Man Bear Cow signing out, saying thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.